Right.
So I responded to Austree Crasher. Because he was saying, look, in Victorian times we would have just got a little buoy.
Throttle and throttle off. So I'm going to chuck it. Once it gets moving, just give it a little bit of power. Okay? Yep. Power.
So this is the recovery aircraft, all together with blue tape, being flown by Richard. Flown very well indeed. Beautiful.
I can't see any dust flying off it anymore.
No. Good job, guys.
Yeah, very.
Okay, so the instructions for people constructing these would be build the aircraft as best you can, fly it into the wall for a couple of weeks, remove, reassemble, yeah,
And repeat.
and repeat. Yes.
No more repeat. Please.
In case you missed it, Andrew, that's the rescue aircraft.
Why do you say that? In my head, I was very clear. I've got a back off the bow.
That's beautiful.
Really well.
Well done.
Very pleasing. Very